All right, thanks for joining us on this Friday, heading into the evening hours. It's First Alert Weather Day. We did have some thunder showers this morning, and they added some moisture to the mix. Also, that rain can really rapidly melt snow on the ground. But the showers we're expecting tonight, here's the good news. I'm not seeing those develop, so I'm not expecting those heavy rain-producing thunderstorms for most of our area tonight, although we do have a chance for some precipitation in the forecast heading into your Saturday. Better chance of some showers, although not necessarily heavy. These lines don't indicate how heavy the precip will be, just how widespread they'll be. So more of us, an increased chance of rain into the middle of next week. Valley Flood Alert continues, keeping you ahead of the game as far as the river level rises. There are showers and thunderstorms in central Minnesota and eastern parts of Minnesota as forecast yesterday. But we were anticipating the development of some thunderstorms here. I just don't see that happening. Look at this snow in the elevated terrain of the panhandle of Nebraska moving into western parts of South Dakota. Now, there is rain on the way towards our region, but for now, it's just not very heavy. And that's fantastic news. Check out the range of temperatures. 39 in Devils Lake and Grand Forks. Thief River, you have the same thing. 50 in Wadena and Alexandria. Sisseton at 46 degrees this hour. Here's some things that we'll be watching for you. We do have concerns about ice jams. Early in the season, the ice still on our rivers. As it begins rising and breaking up, that can form a dam and cause water to rise very rapidly and cause local problems. And when those release, we can have problems as well. So we'll be watching very closely our river levels here and through the weekend into next week as our rivers continue to rise. Our crests haven't happened yet, even though it looks like it on this graph. We're just seeing a slowdown of that early runoff from our 50 to 70 degree temperatures across the valley. Wild Rice River, Twin Valley, very high. It is in that moderate flood stage, causing problems. Highway 9 there in Norman County, an issue. River levels always available at your fingertips no matter where you go on the free Valley News Live weather app. Search VNL Weather in your app store for the latest on that and your forecast. 44 degrees. We have a north-northwest wind in Fargo, 13 miles per hour. I'll look across the region. Here's your forecast as we go through your Friday. As the showers have exited the area, we'll have some sprinkles, spits, and flurries. Hit and miss variety. Nothing too heavy. Everything heavy is behind my legs. Way back here, heading in towards St. Cloud in that area. They'll have some thunderstorms that'll produce some heavy rain. Heading into your Saturday morning, see this mess? We're going to have some mixed precipitation with temperatures that'll be as cool as they've been for a while now. Morning temperatures in the 20s and low 30s out there. So our day looks cooler for all areas. On Saturday, there'll be a shot of snow and slush across central Minnesota roadways with rain off to the east. Then quieter weather makes its way in, but not necessarily hotter weather. Sunday morning looks to be mighty chilly before our next warm-up. 30s to start your Saturday, upper 30s for the afternoon, a north wind that you will feel at around 20 to 30 miles per hour. Snapshot forecast shows the warmest weather to the east, but you too will be significantly cooler. 26 Sunday morning, temperatures climbing back into the 40s and 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday. There's that midweek chance of some widespread showers again. Not overly heavy, Justin. We'll keep you posted on that. There will be impacts, of course. Hopefully, things go well. I can tell you this time of the year in my backyard when our ground can't hold water, I get a lake.
Yeah.
It's soaking in. It's soaking in a lot of places.
It's a good sign.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hutch. Still ahead at 6. A warning about wild pigs in North Dakota. A farmer was attacked recently. We'll explain.